Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to talk to you about Sea Ray's 2020 270 Sundeck. It's our most popular Sea Ray model down here, and I'm going to show you why. Let's start with the bow. You got the headlights for docking on here, and then you got the two-tone hull. You got the black bottom with the white, and then the black above it. Absolutely beautiful on the water. The lines are gorgeous. It's powered by the Mercury Verado 300. Plenty of power for this boat. It's a fast boat. Its top end's right around 50 miles an hour. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270 Sundeck. Let's start at the back of the boat. All kinds of room back here. Huge sun pad. Make very, very comfortable for 4 adults back here. Storage is incredible. This storage here goes all the way up to the seat up there, so you can put skis, you can put fishing poles, you can put anything in there. You got a ton of room. And then also, because this is where the engine used to be, all that storage there, fenders, lines, you name it, all your toys, plenty of room for everything there. So you just fantastic back of the boat. You've got the sea deck in the back, you got a little cooler, remote control for the stereo, ski tow bar, and then L-shaped seating, a lot of room, 4 or 5 adults, very, very comfortable here. Then this will also slide this way for lounging back this way, and this one will do the same as well. So really nice seating area when you're just hanging out on the boat. Then we have the head. It's a pump out head, so plenty of room in there you can change your clothes down there. Nice setup. Over at the helm, slide this back. So it's a real ergonomically correct helm, real nice looking. You got a smart craft in here, gives you all your temperatures and pressures and speed and all that other stuff is all in here. Let's move to the bow. You got storage underneath here. And then up at the bow, we've got a beach boarding ladder that extends out here. So going to key wading down here to the beach, you can easily get on and off the boat without getting in the water. You've got a wash down for your feet, keeping the sand off, and then 2 real comfortable lounges right here. Really, it's a perfect boat. Again, it's our #1 seller down in the Naples area. So if you've got any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.